The Samsung Galaxy S10 series have matured over the past decade with big and incremental upgrades alike, bringing us closer to that elusive perfect smartphone. The Galaxy S10 is by definition the best one ever, so let's see just how good the best is. There's little to separate the S10 from the S10 Plus. We had a closer look at last week, and most of it is a matter of scale. The S10's got a smaller display than the Plus at 6.1 inches, the 0.3-inch spacing Samsung instituted between the 4S XS. And then with a smaller display, a smaller battery is in order, the 3,400 mAh capacity, a slightly bigger downgrade than the Diagonal. And that's about it, unless you absolutely insist on 12 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, an option only available in Plus size. Then comes the sole difference that isn't merely quantitative. The S10 only has a single selfie cam, where the S10 Plus has a depth sensor to assist with portraits. But generations of Galaxies before this one only had one front-facing cam, and somehow we made it to here. Other than that, the Galaxy S10 comes with the usual annual chipset update and its top-quality silicon, whether it's Exynos or Snapdragon trim. The triple camera setup on the back with a brand new ultra-wide module is the same as on the Plus, so 2 cameras more than last year's regular-sized S9. If only all incremental upgrades were like this one. Price, starting at $749. Release date, March 8th.